is not the only time that we've chosen not to change. Think of what we leave behind. Think of what we take away.
There's a bunch of hairs inside of there. So I rinse it and I tap it, and all those hairs come out into the sink.
Wow.
Are you gonna shave one day when you have a beard? I think I've got all the pieces, all the hair. What do you think? Do you see any extra hairs left over, or did I get them all?
There's extra pieces.
Where? Show me.
One on your nipple.
On my nipple?
Right there.
You mean on my Adam's apple?
Yes.
Okay.
This is not the only time that we looked the other way. Got it hearts and narrow minds. We go quietly.
Here's the puzzle you're gonna buy, and here's the money that you need to buy it.
Please bring this puzzle.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, get your change.
Okay, that's for you. Thank you.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Alright, go.
Let's open it.
Wish you joy and happiness. But above all things, I wish you love. And I will always love you. I will always love you. Where's your singing voice? There it is. Yeah.
Jonah, you're getting to be such a great singer. All the way. Way up. It's coffee, right?
This is not the only time that we've chosen not to change. Think of what we leave behind. Think of what we take away.
Okay, this guy is from Argentina. He has a barbershop in Argentina. The name of the barbershop is Barbados. And the logo of the barbershop has a broken trident in
The
it.
flag.
Yeah.
So cool.
Look at the logo down there behind the bicycle. Do you see it?
So cool.
That's so cool. Look, Jonah.
Puzzle piece at home. So
I like so
Yes.
En Argentina, rompecabezas.
This is not the only time that we looked the other way.
kernels have to pop. In order to pop them, we have to.
Guarded hearts and narrow minds. We go quiet through.
Did you hear the first one? Listen, you hear it?
Yeah, I hear it. I think they're going to pop the bag.
You think it's gonna pop the bag?
Will we
Our first bag of popcorn for Mr. John and Mark. Tastes yummy?
when will we care?
You got it.
Promises that we